Hello everyone, we will unbox this Smart Bro 4G pocket Wi-Fi for only 88 pesos, free 150 MB, valid for 30 days, and share the data up to 10 devices. Okay? So ito yung nasa side. Okay, buksan natin. So ayan, so seal it. So this is the USB cable, battery 1400 milliamps, the receipt, a quick start guide sa seat. Hold mo lang 3 to 5 seconds. So this is the battery indicator, the signal indicator, signal ng Wi-Fi, and then this is the message indicator at signal natin. Okay, so red means yellow na, green na. Nag-ano naman siya, nag-red. So naghahanap pa siya ng signal. So, pwede na siyang magamit. So, ayan. So, itong WPS, kapag reset siya. Thank you for watching short unboxing of this